So in today's session, I'm going to show you a very awesome feature which is available in Wave 2, which is going to be released in October 2020. So that feature is called background error check. So it is literally a very cool feature. With background error check, Business Central can validate the financial journals such as general journal, payment journal while you're working on them in the real time. Let's see how to do that. So I'll go to general journal first. Now here, first thing is that you have to enable it for the batch which you are looking for. So here we have a new checkbox which is called background error check. If you take your mouse, it will say that specifies if you want the journal lines to be checked automatically for potential issue. So here I have checked it. So similarly, you need to go ahead and you can just enable or disable from here. So I have enabled it for my default journal and I have kept it off from my monthly journal. So if I go to my monthly journal, for which I haven't kept this on, you can see the fact box is like very simple, journal line details and everything. Now, if I go to this journal in which background error check is on, you will see a drastic change. Here you can see that I have a complete segment for journal check, and here I have already inserted lines for you. So you can see that here I have 3 lines which is checked through this feature, and out of 3 lines, lines with issues is 2 and total issues is 4. The issue total tile in the fact book shows the total number of issues that Business Central found, and choosing it overview of the issue. So let's go here and see. So you can see that I have multiple type of errors like amount must be negative, the customer group dimension, the default dimension. So for example, if you have marked some dimension as mandatory and you're not inserted in the journal, it will give you an error. Amount must not be empty and everything. So now you don't need to wait for posting the journal to get the errors, or you don't need to go and preview post it. Earlier we used to do like that. So now let me just show you. I'll insert a new line, and this line, so I'll just select any vendor, post or book an invoice. So the correct entry would be crediting the vendor and debiting the purchase account. So I'll take the purchase account. So here in this line, it is showing me that no issues found. It means everything is fine here. So it is telling me that amount must be negative. Also, I haven't updated all these journal lines. Like I haven't updated the customer code here, so that's why it's telling me that you have in the current line you have 2 errors. So a total of 7 errors, and line checked is 5 and lines with issue is 4. So it's a really a good feature in which in the real time you get to know that what are the errors. I believe this feature will be most liked by the accountants. And if we go to this menu page, then here you have the option to toggle between journal lines that don't have issues and that which have issues. For example, if I click on show lines with issues, it's going to show me only the lines which is having some kind of issues. So this is also a very good kind of feature to separate all the lines with issues and solve those issues. And if you go to show all lines, it will show all lines. So I believe that is a very good feature which is going to be available from October 2020 in Wave 2 update. And right now this is available in public preview. So I hope you like this feature. Thank you.